Few things in skincare excite me as much as something that can do more than one thing for us in our skincare routine, saving us both time, money, and giving excellent results. And today I am excited to be talking about this little device here, a multi-benefit device that can give you an entire facial right in the comfort of your own home. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. As I said, I'm excited today because I'm going to be talking about a new device called the URCHIN. And if you happen to be new to my channel and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson, a skincare expert. I've been doing skincare for 36 years, helping folks like you find skincare that will work for them, not empty their wallet, and not do them more harm than good. So if that's the kind of information you've been looking for here on YouTube, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Now, this is by Maysama Skincare. This is not a sponsored video, but I do like that brand. It's a UK brand, a whole lot. It's an eco-friendly brand built around a specific sustainable ingredient called green Rooibos tea that comes from South Africa. In fact, I've done several videos on their products because I love them so much. You guys that follow the channel know I am a fiend when it comes to red light therapy. I know red light therapy works. And so when they released this new device called the URCHIN, oddly enough, it does kind of look like a sea urchin, that gives you both a deep sonic cleansing ability, massage, red light therapy, and microcurrent all in one device. I was like, yeah, I got to try this out. I mean, that is 4 different modalities, 4 different treatments that you can get in one session in your skincare routine 2 or 3 times a week that can really make a big difference in how your skin looks. And I know because I've been using this thing for about 3 months. Now, the first unique thing I want to point out about this device is the sonic cleansing capability. And that is this anti-microbe silicone brush. It's very soft and gentle to the skin and yet can provide such a deep cleansing, especially if you have oily skin, comedones, prone to breakouts. It's also great for exfoliating dead skin cells off folks like me who are mature to be able to improve and increase circulation in the skin. You guys know I talk about that all the time. Superficial circulation to the skin, very important. And removing those dead skin cells that build up so our skincare products can work better. The other great news is you can use this particular device with any type of facial face wash, oil-based, foaming, clarifying, it doesn't matter. It works with all of them. It's easy to clean. And because of the antimicrobe properties, it will stay sterile for you. And I've been testing out the sonic cleansing feature using Maysama's Gel-Balm cleanser. It's also made with green Rooibos tea. Now, as to the level of functionality and strength of the different modalities, the device does have 4 levels. I suggest on any of the modalities we're going to talk about today that you always start with the lowest level, like I always say, and work your way up to the stronger levels as you determine your level of sensitivity and tolerability to the treatments. So I'm going to turn this on and we're going to use it to do a gentle cleansing session as it massages away oil, dirt, and impurities. And guys, this is really great if you have facial hair because these facial brushes are actually able to get past the hair on your face down to the skin surface and actually give you one of the best feeling, clean feeling experiences you've probably had in a really long time. Because if you have facial hair like I do, you know how hard it is to get that skin underneath that hair completely clean. This particular product will actually do that for you. So once you've completed your cleansing session, you just pat your skin dry, apply your other products, and go about your day. This is safe to use every day for most everyone. Now, if you happen to have redness and flushing from things like rosacea or psoriasis or even eczema, probably using this a couple times a week is better because sometimes that extra stimulation and blood flow can lead to that redness and flushing that is often associated with those issues. But if you suffer from oily skin, blackheads, even acne breakouts, the 6,000 vibrations per minute of this brush can really help decongest pores, make them look smaller, and help reduce the incidence of blackheads and breakouts. All right, so what about the other modalities? The red light therapy, the microcurrent, and the heated massage. Well, you can use all of these. When you go back and turn your device on, you can see that the red light is activated. It's a pulsing red light therapy that has been proven clinically, and of course I use red light therapy all the time, to help improve collagen production, help reduce inflammation, help strengthen fibroblasts in the skin, and give your skin better elasticity. You can press it once more and you will be adding a vibration massage feature that helps improve superficial circulation, improve lymph drainage, removes puffiness, and helps actually continue to decongest those pores. And of course, you can increase the intensity of the vibration based on your sensitivity and comfort level. As you get used to the device, you can increase it. That's what I did. And you can also add microcurrent to this using a combination of therapies or all of them together to give you a complete red light massage with mild microcurrent therapy. And mild microcurrent, as we've talked about on the channel before, is a great way to tighten and tone the skin of the face by activating and working out those muscles just below the surface of the skin. And microcurrent also activates mitochondria and also aiding that all-important collagen production. You can use any of these features with your skincare products and serums. It actually does help them absorb better. With this device, I like to use Maysama's Green Rooibos Serum. It seems to work very, very well. It's been proven to help improve the benefits of red light therapy. What's really important is that you keep your skin moist. You can use a spray mist to do this. You can use a hydration serum like polyglutamic acid. That's a great one because it does have a polymer in there that sits on the surface of the skin and keeps it lubricated, which helps the microcurrent transfer down into the skin cells much better than it would on dry skin. And again, we never want to use anything on our skin that pulls and drags. So it's very important to keep your skin kind of slippery so that the product glides evenly. And as you can see here, you always want to start in the center of the face, moving upward and outward. And the same thing should you decide to use this device on the neck and under the chin and jawline. It works exceptionally well in those areas too. And this is such an invigorating and at the same time relaxing way to improve the health of your skin. It just feels so amazing. Bottom line, I think this is an amazingly well thought out device. It works extremely well. It provides all of those different modalities and treatments in one session, and used 2 to 3 times a week can really make a difference in how your skin looks and feels. As always with my videos, I will put a link down below in the video description box where you can go and read and find out more about this particular device. Should you decide to use the device, please come back and let us know how it worked for you, because all of us, including me, will want to know. And for even more ways to roll back that clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video that's coming up next. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. I appreciate you. Stay beautiful. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you over on that next video.